What is going on, guys? We're back out on another adventure. Today, we're out on our first open water fishing trip of 2026. I'm out at a beautiful mountain river chasing after whitefish, bull trout, grayling, and rainbow trout. It's an absolutely gorgeous day outside. We got some absolutely beautiful mountain views, and let's hope for a nice fish today. Holy moly, you guys. If you couldn't realize already, it is absolutely blowing through this valley right now. All the wind is coming down off those mountain slopes behind me, blowing right through here. So with me today, I got a fly rod and a spinning rod. We're gonna bust out the fly rod to start. See if we can, just a solid White River 5/6 weight fly rod. Should be pretty fun to use. You guys, it's so windy, you probably can't even hear me on my camera right now, so I'm just gonna use my phone to talk. We got our fly rod all set up. First order of business is we gotta figure out what bugs we have in the water right now, because I'm gonna be honest, I honestly got no clue what's even in here right now. Yeah, so we're gonna flip some rocks and see if we can find some nymphs. Okay, this log looks pretty promising. Let's see if we can flip it over here and find some sort of animal in it. So we got, it looks to be a little stonefly nymph. Little piece of bark, maybe there's something under that. Doesn't look like it. Flip a couple rocks. So we got ourselves a little hare's ear nymph next to this mayfly nymph. What do you guys think? I know it's a little big, but I think that's the closest fly I got to matching that. Just got ourselves a little indicator. Split shot down to our tiny little hare's ear nymph. So I had to do a change of plans. It was getting so windy. I don't even think I'd be able to cast into the stream. I think it would go back and hit me in the face. So I'm gonna do a spot downstream, and we're gonna try this little run for some whitefish. So we're gonna try something new and try some Euro-nymphing. Well, unfortunately, didn't catch anything on this trip, which is okay. Sometimes you just don't catch anything. This is the first day that this river has actually been opened up. Yeah, could be the productivity of the river, could be the temperature. There's multiple different things why couldn't be a fish today. Could be myself, could be my casting. Well, anyways, gotta head back home. Make sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell so we can keep going on these amazing adventures together. If you want to see another one of my videos, you can click here. If you want to see a series of my videos, you can click here. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next adventure.